Hey guys, I have Kospet Prime SE in my hands and I want to test the performance of a smartwatch in this video. Why only performance? Because Kospet Prime SE has the same design, display, battery and even processor as Kospet Prime. I have already made the video with unboxing and full review of Kospet Prime. You can watch it by the link in description. The main difference between Kospet Prime and Kospet Prime SE is memory. However, the price of Kospet Prime SE is only $99, while Kospet Prime costs only $150. Which smartwatch is better to buy? Let's find out. As I already said, the main difference between Kospet Prime and Prime SE is memory. Kospet Prime has 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal memory, while Prime SE has only 1 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage. The design, display, performance, battery, cameras and functions are the same. So, how does the memory affect the performance of smartwatch? I wanted to start the performance test with Antutu, but I couldn't run this app on smartwatch. I have tried different versions, but all of them give out error. Kospet Prime didn't have this problem, and it had about 30,000 points in Antutu. Also, I want to play the same games on Kospet Prime SE as on Kospet Prime. To be honest, I don't see any difference. The games run the same way on these watches. As you can see, less memory on Kospet Prime SE has not affected performance in games. Talking about overall experience, I didn't notice any significant differences between Kospet Prime and Prime SE. These smartwatches have the same Android 7.1.1 operating system, the same user interface, functions and apps. Yes, Kospet Prime has 32 GB of internal memory, so you can store more apps, photos and music. However, I think that 16 GB of storage is enough for smartwatch. As for 1 GB of RAM, I think it is also enough for Android smartwatch. I don't think that you need more. If you're interested in my opinion, I recommend you to buy Kospet Prime SE. It has the same design, display, battery, cameras and even functions as Kospet Prime, but much lower price. You can buy Kospet Prime SE for only $99. If you want to know more about Kospet Prime SE, then watch our video with a full review of Kospet Prime. I will leave the link in description. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.